Subject Botany, first semester, University of Mysore, session 16. The topic of the study is Spirulina A-type study. Systematically, Spirulina is placed under Cyanobacteria, order Oscillatories. The Spirulina genus includes number of species. Important among are Spirulina gracilis, Spirulina platensis, etc. Spirulina is found in soil, marshes, freshwater, brackish water, seawater, and thermal springs. They are present in alkaline, saline water with a high pH of 8.5 to 11, which favors good production of spirulina, especially where there is a high level of solar radiation at altitude in the tropics. Spirulina is symbiotic filamentous blue-green microscopic algae that fixes nitrogen from air. It can be rod, spiral, or disc-shaped. Their main photosynthetic pigment is phycocyanin, which is a blue pigment, that is blue in color. These bacteria also contain chlorophyll A, carotenoids, and some contain the pigment phycoerythrin, giving the bacteria, that is cyanobacteria, a red or pink color. This is the ultrastructure of spirulina. Spirally twisted structure that appears to be blue-green in color, and see that they are filamentous. There appears to be filamentous in nature. And this spirulina is autotrophic and photosynthetic. It reproduces by binary fission. The filaments are cut into number of pieces. Each such filaments are developing into new filament or by binary fission. However, these cyanobacteria have cell wall similar to that of gram-negative bacteria. They contain peptidoglycan, a lysozyme sensitive heteropolymer that confers shape and osmotic protection to the cell. In addition to other material which are not sensitive to lysozyme, they contain number of biochemicals. Coming to the biochemical composition of spirulina. Biochemically, spirulina contain protein, essential fatty acids, vitamins, etc. The proteins in spirulina usually, that is high amount of protein between 55 and 70% by dry weight. It is a complete protein containing all essential amino acids. Though with reduced amount of methionine, cysteine and lysine, protein is high in percentage. And essential fatty acids. Spirulina has a high amount of polyunsaturated fatty acids, that is about 1.5 to 2% of 5 to 6% total lipid. In particular, spirulina is rich in gamma linolic acid, that is 36% of total PUFA, and also provides gamma linoleic acid stearidonic acid, docosahexaenic acid, and arachidonic acid. So these are the essential fatty acids which is found to be rich in spirulina in addition to protein. Besides this, spirulina is also contain vitamins. Spirulina contains vitamin B1, thiamine, B2, riboflavin, B3, nicotinamide, B6, pyridoxine, B9, folic acid, B12, cyanocobalamin, vitamin C and vitamin D. In addition to this, it is also contain vitamin E. So, proteins, essential fatty acids, and vitamins are found to be rich in spirulina. Besides this, spirulina is also contain minerals, which is rich source of potassium, calcium, chromium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, selenium, sodium, and zinc. So therefore, spirulina is also rich with minerals. The photosynthetic pigments of spirulina contains many pigments including chlorophyll A, xanthophyll, beta-carotene, mycoxanthophyll, zeaxanthin, canthaxanthin, diatoxanthin, 3-hydroxyequinone, beta-cryptoxanthin, axilazanthin, plus the phycobilin proteins, C-phycocyanin and allophycocyanin. So, spirulina contains many pigments found to be rich with blue-green. This is the composition where the pie chart shows composition of spirulina. Biochemical composition of spirulina is protein 55 to 70%, fat 5%, minerals appears to be 7%, moisture content 3%, and carbohydrate percentage is 15 to 20%. Therefore, spirulina is a rich source of food, a complete food we can say. What is the importance of spirulina? The importance of spirulina contains more beta carotene than any other food, that is 25 times more than carrot. Because of high protein, the protein capsules are used by space travelers. It contains 12 times more iron than beef liver. This is rich source of vitamin A, contains 11 vitamins, 10 minerals, and 18 amino acids. It is composed of 60 and plus percentage of proteins, compared with meat about 27%, soybean of about 34%. It provides 12 times more bioavailable proteins than steak. It is a rich source of antioxidants, important for good health and longevity. Richest plant source of essential fatty acids, also contains omega-3 fatty acids. Rich source of vitamin E, 3 times more than wheat germ. Contain phycocyanin, a blue pigment, rare unique to the spirulina. It builds the immune system and a powerful antioxidant. Nowadays, you can see this spirulina is found to be available in the Ayurvedic stores in the form of spirulina capsules, because it is rich with proteins, minerals, free fatty acids, and other biochemicals. Therefore, the spirulina is found to be a rich source of food, and this is also used in cosmetics. And spirulina, nowadays you can see, this is used to put into the sweets. CFTRI, Central Food Technological Research Institutes, they have prepared a recipe with peanut. The sweet is called as chicky, spirulina chicky, which is used, which is available in the market and which is very good source of proteins, free fatty acids, amino acids. And therefore, the World Health Organization, who has held spirulina as the greatest food on earth.